As a professional, juggling work and life, finding time for a skincare routine in my hectic schedule always felt an unattainable dream. Long hours, endless meetings, and the constant chase for deadlines. My skin was the last thing on my mind. But then, the signs started showing dullness and fine line. I couldn't ignore it anymore. I needed a solution. Something quick and effective, yet gentle. That's when I found NuEssential Anti-Aging Kit. It's not just another skincare routine. It's a revolution with its potent ingredients and nanofiber technology. It targets my specific concerns, those fine lines and the loss of firmness. The results, they speak for themselves. Up to 90% reduction in wrinkles and a visibly younger look. Now I can focus on my career without compromising my skin health. It's just not a skincare, it's a self-care. This is a redefining skincare for busy professionals like me. I highly recommend you to experience NuEssentials today. Order now!